Hey guys, so we have another important update for you. As you all know that Honorable Justice Mr. Sanjeev Khanna has taken oath as the 51st CJI of our country. He will be succeeding Honorable Justice Mr. D.Y. Chandrachud. He will be serving till 13th May 2025 up until the time he attains the age of 65 years. 65 years is the retirement age of a Supreme Court judge. So moving forward with the appointment of CJI, the appointment is in accordance with Article 124 of the Constitution of India. However, Article 124 of the Constitution of India does not lay down the procedure for the appointment of the CJI. The procedure is on the basis of the conventional practice. As per the conventional practice, the senior most judge of the Supreme Court will be recommended by the outgoing CJI for the position of the CJI. And here remember one thing, that the seniority is not by the age but by the number of years that judge has served in the Supreme Court of India. On the basis of that seniority, the CJI will recommend the name of the CJI, the upcoming CJI. Once the recommendation is made by the outgoing CJI, the Ministry of Law and Justice will process and forward it to the President of India. The President of India will then formally appoint the CJI till the time he attains the age of 65 years as mandated by the Constitution. This is the practice which has been followed in most of the cases except few. So this is the procedure for the appointment of the CJI. For more such updates, stay tuned and do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.